Observation. Least count of voltmeter V1 is equal to X volt. Zero correction for voltmeter V1 is equal to X volt. Least count of voltmeter V2 is equal to X volt. Zero correction for voltmeter V2 is equal to X volt. Least count of milliammeter is equal to X milliampere. Zero correction for milliammeter is equal to X milliampere. Least count of microammeter is equal to X volt. Zero correction for microammeter is equal to X microampere. Table for input characteristic. Serial number. Base emitter voltage VBE volt. Observed, corrected. Base current IB microampere. VCE is equal to 2 volt. Observed, corrected. VCE is equal to 4 volt. Observed, corrected. Plot input characteristics between base emitter voltage VBE and base current IB, keeping collector emitter voltage constant at VCE is equal to 2 volt and at VCE is equal to 4 volt, taking base emitter voltage along x-axis and base current IB along y-axis. The input characteristics are obtained as shown in figure. Table for output characteristics. Serial number. Collector voltage VCE volt. Observed, corrected. Collector current IC milliampere when base current IB is equal to 50 microampere. Observed, corrected. Base current IB is equal to 100 microampere. Observed, corrected. Plot output characteristics between collector emitter voltage VCE and collector current IC, keeping base current IB constant at 50 microampere and 100 microampere, taking VCE along x-axis and IC along y-axis. The output characteristics are obtained as shown in figure. Table for input characteristics. Serial number. Base current IB microampere. Observed, corrected. Collector current IC milliampere when VCE is equal to 4 volt. Observed, corrected. VCE is equal to 6 volt. Observed, corrected. Plot transfer characteristics between base current IB and collector current IC, keeping collector emitter voltage VCE constant at 4 volt and 6 volt, taking IB along x-axis and IC along y-axis. The transfer characteristics are obtained as shown in figure. Result. The input characteristics, output characteristics, and transfer characteristics of a common emitter NPN transistor are shown in figure. Current gain beta is equal to X. Voltage gain AU is equal to X. Precautions. All the connections should be neat, clean and tight. Voltmeter, milliammeter and microammeter should be of suitable range. Voltmeter, milliammeter and microammeter should be connected properly. Appropriate zero correction should be applied for zero error present in voltmeters and micromilliammeters. The readings of voltmeter, milliammeter and microammeter should be recorded accurately. Rheostat used must be of high resistances. Overheating of transistor should be avoided by taking out plug from key after taking the observation. The input of transistor should be forward biased and output should be reverse biased. Sources of error. Connections may not be tight. Voltmeter, milliammeter and microammeter may not be of suitable range. Error may be due to overheating of transistor.
Thank you, ma'am, for this knowledgeable experiment.